The drug is obviously being tested for different diseases, as you mentioned. I mean, for myeloma, I just wanted to mention that, as you know, there is a hold on clinical trials given some toxicity concern in one of the clinical trials. So technically should not be used, and there's no indication for it. For mantle cell lymphoma, we know it's an active drug. It's being studied in combination and with different drugs. So what Venetoclax does actually induces cell death. So for example, in CLL, some of the high-risk CLL patients have genetic abnormalities that make the CLL cells resistant to the normal death mechanisms in the cancer cells. So since Venetoclax works in a different way by inducing apoptosis related to the BCL2, which is a protein that's highly expressed in CLL, we have great responses, even in high-risk patients who, by standard definition, should not be responding to treatments like that. And same principle applies to lymphoid malignancies, specifically mantle cell lymphoma. I think other histologies are behind and are in the line in clinical trials, but these two are, CLL, obviously, we have an indication for it, as well as for AML, but other diseases, we're looking forward to see the results of the studies that are ongoing.